everyone, I am Bidisha and welcome to my channel Nutrifon. Today I am here to tell you about a food that will help you to lead a healthy life if you incorporate that food into your daily diet. It will help to improve your skin, improve your hair and also improve your internal health status. So you can make it a habit to intake this food from childhood to the rest of your life. So you definitely want to know about this food. Let's reveal that food. It is not a food actually. It is a nut. It is called almond. Almond is containing essential amino acids, omega-3 fatty acids, omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E, iron, zinc and various other nutrients. Almond is good for skin and hair both. It is said that the Egyptian queen Cleopatra had included almond into her hair, skincare and diet both. Being loaded with antioxidant and vitamin E, almond is good for skin. It will make your skin soft, supple and will help to make your skin pimple free and acne free. Almond also help to prevent your skin from premature aging. The skin damage due to the exposure of UV sunlight, mainly the UV rays of the sun. Almond is also containing omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin A that will promote the blood circulation and that will promote hair growth and will prevent the hair loss. Almond also makes your hair soft and nourish your scalp that will prevent the premature aging, flakiness of scalp and inflammation of scalp. Some people do hair styling regularly and hair treatment also. This hair styling and hair treatment, our hair is getting exposed to various chemicals that is not good for our hair. It harms your hair in various ways. Almond will help to protect your hair from these harmful effects of these chemicals. With the increasing age, we all face some new problems like puffy eyes, the wrinkles around the eyes, except some few who are blessed with some extraordinary skin texture. We all are suffering from these problems. So almond is also a solution for these problems also. And if you are working in computer, most of us in nowadays is working in computer and or looking at a screen for long time. That is harmful for your eyesight. But almond is also help to improve your eyesight. If you want those big fancy eyelashes naturally and those thick eyebrows, what you have to do, you have to apply almond oil once in a day. The best time to apply it, you can apply it before going to bed at the night. But it will not going to happen in one day. Like you are applied one day and next day morning you will get big eyelashes. No, that is not going to happen. If you make it a habit and apply it for long time, you will definitely get the result. Almond also helps to lose your weight. Almond provides you a satiety feeling and decrease your desire of eating. Thus, almond helps to improve your weight control, like it will help to lose your weight. Also helps to improve your health internally. Almond makes your heart healthy. It lowers your cholesterol level and also helps to control your blood glucose level. Almond is also good for brain health. It improves memory. I will advise you to soak and peel the almond before eating, as the brown peels of almond is containing tannin that will inhibit your nutrient absorption, and those soaked almond get digested easily and it improves the nutrient absorption also. I will advise to take 4 to 5 almonds daily in the morning. Or you can take it any time in the day, there is no problem. But if you take it in the morning time, it will help to incorporate you in your daily life more easily, and you will get energy in the morning and will feel active throughout the day. So start having almonds and subscribe to this channel by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. Thank you.